Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. We are in the best part of YouTube learning channel, and in today's video we are just going to learn how to calculate maths very fast. And along with that, if you want to compete with the human calculator, or if you want to get first rank in maths, or if you want to score full out of full marks 100%, then simple, just you have to follow my channel. That is the solution. Okay friends, and before starting the video, I'm just going to ask you, please share, like, subscribe my channel. If you are new to the channel, or if you are watching the channel for the first time, please just subscribe button, please just hit the subscribe button, and along with that, please just hit the bell icon also. By that you can able to get all the videos whenever I upload it. You can get able to all the videos will be uploaded whenever. And now in today's fast math tricks, and we are just going to learn about multiplication of numbers whose difference is like similar, symmetrical, or consecutive numbers. You can select. So such numbers multiplication we are going to do it now. Okay, so for example, if the number, if I want to multiply 48 with 52, so see here, these are similar numbers which are nearing to 50, and the difference of those two is 2. So you can write 50 minus 2, and the other one is 50 plus 2, and this is looking like a trigonometry formula: a minus b into a plus b, and the solution for this is a square minus b square. So here you can write 50 square minus 2 square, and 2500 minus 4, that is 2496. So you can ask me a doubt that you said that you are going to say very fast, and but still you are showing very big procedure to us. Very simple, no need to do even this much also. So instead of going for calculation 2 digit by 2 digit, you can just follow this formula, and by this you will get it very easily. So just move on to the next question like this only. But friends, remember one thing, when this rule is applicable is the difference between those two numbers should be same. For example, if the number is 79 and 81, see friends, if the difference of these two is, these two numbers are near to 80, and one is 80 minus 2, sorry 80 minus 1, and the other one is 80 plus 1. So you can write 80 square minus 1 square, 6400 minus 1, nothing but 6399. So in the same way, just I'll take very small example here. (95) into 105, and the difference for these two is 5. 100 minus 5, 100 plus 5. So here 100 square minus 5 square. 100 square is nothing but 10,000 minus 25, 5 square. So the answer is 9,975. So in the same way, just move on to the one more example friends. 25 into 35, and this is also a difference of 5, but it is nearing to 30. One is 30 plus 5, and the other one is 30 minus 5. So here my calculation is a is 30 and b is 5. So 30 square is 900 and 5 square is 25. So 900 minus 25 is 875. And we'll just move on with one more example friends. I'll just take an example of 99 and 101. See friends, one is 100 minus 1 and the other one is 100 plus 1. So 100 square minus 1 square. So 100 square is nothing but your 10,000, and 1 square is 1 itself. So the 10,000 minus 1 is 9,999. Just simple. If you want to calculate very fast, just simple, just practice makes man perfect. If you follow that, you will get it. And these two are very near to 16. One is 16 plus 1. Sorry friends, I just written 17 here first, and now I am writing 15, that is 16 minus 1. 16 square minus 1 square. As you all know that 16 16s are 256, minus 1 is nothing but 255. So just simple, practice makes man perfect. In the same way, if you'll just do on calculations, and you'll also get very fast as how we are doing. I hope you all understand this video, and I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you. So please share, like, subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts, just please ping me in the comment section. Thank you.